Okay, so today we are going to discuss. A lot of you in my last session asked me personally, and you people keep asking me that, ma'am, how do I improve my English faster? What is the right way of practicing? Why my practice is not helping me enough? Everything that I'm doing at home after the class is not enough for me. So I know all of you doing a lot of wrong things. Number one, I'm going to tell you what is wrong. Number two, I'm going to tell you how to make it right. Okay, so we are going to discuss all of this today. Like I said, today's group class, I'll not be making you people talk. I'll be talking and telling you how to do your practice at your home after you are done with your day to day class, or even when you're not taking your classes, how you can practice by yourself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to tell you what you're doing wrong first. So, the most common practice that I see so many people doing wrong is watching a lot of YouTube videos. I watch 1 hour English videos, I watch 2 hour English videos. Kudos to all those influencers who have opened YouTube channels teaching you English, but please understand that is not going to help. Looking at English channels, looking at English YouTube channels, and listening to them is going to be a very small help. Like for example, for a proper balanced diet, you need everything in your meal. You need pulses, you need rice, you need vegetables, you need chapati, and for that matter, if you're a non-veg, you need non-veg in the same, and you need water. You cannot say every day I'm just having pulses, sirf dal kha raha hu and I'm having my complete diet. So it's like that. If you are not doing your practice correctly, in the right amount of practice, in the right amount of, in the right way, then you are not reaching anywhere. So, a very common mistake that all of you in today's world, social media world, all of you find the easiest way to practice is watch YouTube videos. Stop doing that. Now, don't stop watching YouTube videos. That also I'm not telling you. I'm not telling you to stop watching YouTube videos. Today I'm going to tell you what exactly you have to do with YouTube videos that is going to help you. So I'm talking about YouTube videos. You can do this with any OTT channel. You can do this if you're into watching Netflix, if you're into watching Hotstar, into Prime, into Geo Cinema, anything that you watch for that matter. I'm talking about watching something in English online, on TV, on mobile, on screen. Okay, so it's that simple. You watch English movies, do that. Anything you like to watch. So I'm going to give you an example of how to do that, and I want all of you to do that at home. Okay, so we are going to start with the first practice. Everyone who's come late, I'm repeating what I was saying. I'm going to tell you how to practice using YouTube in the correct way. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is, I'm going to share the screen, and I have opened a random English video. You can open any video of your, number one, of your liking, number two, of your level. Don't start with very difficult English. If you are good enough in your English and you feel I want something difficult, you can do that as well. But initially, try to start easy. Now, I have this one. This one video, which is Priyanka Chopra's speech. Okay, she's giving an English speech. I opened this channel and I've seen some very good videos on it, English speeches. So, English speeches is a good channel I see for learning English people can use. Okay, so I'm going to start from here. Now, what you have to do, I'm going to just exactly do that. 1 second, I'll share the screen again with my audio. I did not share the audio, so I'll just share the sound again. I will show you how I'm practicing with this, okay?
So my father used to always tell me something which I want to
So, my father used to always tell me something which I want to share with
share
you.
with you. That why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper?
That why do you want to fit inside a glass slipper?
You know, like we were told, like Cinderella did, why do you
Like we were told, like Cinderella did, why do you want to fit in a
want to
glass
fit inside a glass slipper when you can shatter the glass ceiling?
into a glass slipper when you can shatter the ceiling?
I want to tell you a little secret. I'm not
I want to tell you a little secret. I'm not very fond of this phrase, breaking the glass ceiling.
very fond of this phrase, breaking the glass ceiling. Why does it annoy me? Because it
Why does it annoy me? Because it takes the context of everything that I have done.
takes the context of everything that I have done.
Now you see what I'm doing? I am listening to her. Of course, my English is good, so I can grasp very easily what I'm listening. So it's not taking me time. I'm listening to her, I'm pausing her, I'm repeating what she's saying. Listening, pausing, repeating. Listening, pausing, repeating. Every time when the caption comes on the screen, till the caption is on the screen, pause and repeat the person's whatever the person is saying. Number one, if you're slow in English, you're weak in English, do it slow. And then as you improve your English capacity, if you are fast, then you can if you are slow, then you need to repeat it many times till you can make that sentence speak that sentence fast. ओके फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं है एंड यू आर वेरी स्लो इन स्पीकिंग पूरा लंबा सेंटेंस यू हैव टू स्पीक सो फॉर दैट यू वेरी स्लो सो व्हाट हैपेंस दिस all my achievements and all my hard work puts has okay this is the next one
All my achievements,
all my achievements all my hard work and puts it into a box आप स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा पढ़ोगे इस फ्रेज को दोबारा पढ़ो till you speak the whole thing fluently without pauses all my achievements all my hard work and puts it into a box as if my ambition was that now you get it जब तक कि आप इस चीज को अच्छी स्पीड में ना पढ़ो कीप रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग विदाउट टेकिंग द वीडियो फॉरवर्ड my aim over here to tell you is you are not supposed to watch videos entertainment मत करो इंग्लिश वीडियोस के साथ नंबर वन डोंट वॉच एनीथिंग जिसमें कि आप इन्वॉल्व हो जाओ स्टोरी में फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर रियली लाइकिंग अ सीरीज इंग्लिश सीरीज एंड यू गेटिंग वेरी इन्वॉल्व इन इट आपको पता करना है व्हाट इज हैपनिंग आगे यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू आर एंगेज्ड इन द स्टोरी you are so involved in the story that you don't want to pause and break and repeat it and then go forward so watch something which is more informative कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री निकाल के डिस्कवरी चैनल का कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री ओपन कर लो वॉच दैट वॉच समथिंग विच इज इंफॉर्मेटिव जिसमें कि बहुत क्रेज ना हो कि मुझे आगे जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ना है or if you're watching a series watch something that you know the story of you've already seen it before so you don't have the craze of rushing towards it so that is something you can do now if you are again very important this is for so many people who tell me I have to interact with foreign clients this is the practice watch something in their language I took an English speaker over here Priyanka Chopra you can take a foreign speaker you can take any foreign speaker listen to their English and repeat what they're saying pausing their video so and don't repeat in their accent repeat in your own accent 100 times I've told you you don't need to learn their accent to speak in it you just need to learn how to understand what they're talking so if you have to talk to foreign clients you need to watch foreign videos and with those videos like I did right now pause repeat do that is the correct way of watching YouTube videos and improving your English. Please do not sit and watch for hours and hours and only give a nice income, a nice earning to our YouTube influencers because हाँ हमें तो full views मिल रहे हैं. Give them the views because they're doing the hard work, no problem. But get the benefit also out of it. And the benefit will come if you are practicing English this way. If all of you have understood, thumbs up. If you've not understood anything in this, please put the question in the chat box So that there will not be a disturbance in today's class, I have put all of you on mute. So all of you will be on mute. You cannot talk. Any questions, please put in the chat box while I'm explaining. After I finish explaining, I will answer your questions from the chat. And if you've understood clearly, thumbs up, please. So how to practice what we took up in the last 15 minutes? How to practice correctly using YouTube videos. For that matter, YouTube or any videos, any English videos. There are very simple stories. The people who must have been taking our English destination classes, you see, we have included very simple stories in the beginning of YouTube. So if your English is not good, don't take such difficult speeches of English. Take very simple stories जहाँ पे speaker बहुत slow English में बोल रहा है. But don't stick to it. Slowly increase your level. Take anything and start repeating what the person is saying. If you don't have a profile where you need foreign language, then listen to Indian speakers. If you have a profile when you need to listen to foreign speakers and understand them, then use foreign speakers' speech. Everyone clear? What is the name of this video channel name? It's English Speeches. Simple name hai English Speeches and real speeches of people. If I take this channel and show you, I like this channel because it's a nice learning channel. मेरे को problem नहीं अगर मैं दूसरों के channels भी promote कर रही हूँ. And it has nothing flashy, you know. It does not have anything like too much to digest. How to?
All my hard work and puts it into a box.
Okay, now if you go in this English Speeches ka channel, you will see the mute this. You will see all speakers, English speakers giving speeches. Okay, there's Steve Jobs, there's Muniba, there's a South Indian actress. Okay, so you have now you can choose from this anyone. If you want Indian speakers, if you want foreign speakers, you can choose anyone, and all of them have subtitles. So I find this a good platform for you to practice. Otherwise, आपको अपने किसी चैनल से प्रैक्टिस करना है, आप कर सकते हो. The point over here is that you people should be practicing by pausing the video and repeating what the speaker is saying yourself. Number one, if you're slow, repeat it again and again till your fluency comes, till your speed comes. Clear, everyone? Okay. So we are clear with how to practice correctly with YouTube videos. Now, how to correctly practice reading. How to improve your English with reading. How many of you want to know that? Raise your hands. Reading तो करते हैं, but I am not improving my English with reading. I read every day, but it's not improving. If you want to solve this problem, can I have some raise hands? Can I have some yes on the chat box? Guys, I want to see that you're attentive. You're not sleeping in the class. मैम तो लेक्चर दे रही हैं, चलो सो जाते हैं. Yes, I can see yes in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. ठीक है. I do a lot of reading, but I am not able to improve myself. So, how to do the correct reading? Now, for the correct reading, again, reading is not the issue. इंग्लिश सीखी है बचपन से, हर कोई रीड कर सकता है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आप स्ट्रीट पे जाओ, वेंडर्स हैं, आपके ऑफिस में जो ऑफिस बॉय है वो भी रीडिंग कर लेगा. रीडिंग करना इंग्लिश इज सिंपल बिकॉज यू लर्न इंग्लिश टिल 12th स्टैंडर्ड इवन एज अ सेकेंड लैंग्वेज, बट यू लर्न. But the problem over here that we need to solve is reading and understanding what is written. I give a very simple in the evaluation. Many of you must have attended our demo sessions, our evaluation sessions. We give a simple story. Everyone is able to read it. आज तक मुझे कोई obviously beginner level students होते हैं who say I don't know to read this also. हम उनके लिए कुछ और करते हैं, but 80% students read कर पाते हैं. When we ask what did you understand from it, they give a totally wrong meaning or incomplete meaning. So reading and understanding it is important. Now for this, I have opened a general website. You can open any website of your own. I'm going to share the screen and show you this website. I will share this website with you also after the class on the group itself. Okay, so this is the website, lingua.com karke. I can see it has a lot of free material. So you can use this. Now what it has is, आपने ये खोला और यहाँ पे एक रीडिंग आ गई. Read this, read it aloud. Aloud का मतलब चिल्लाना नहीं है. I told you before also. Aloud means you can hear your own voice. So it can be, I just returned from the greatest summer vacation. ये allowed हुआ. आपको अपनी आवाज आ रही है, that is allowed. Read aloud and then answer the questions written over here. When you answer the question, at that moment itself, it will tell you whether it is wrong or right. उससे आपको समझ में आएगा whether you have understood the story well or not. So reading and understanding is important. And for your own for your own practice, whatever you have read, summarize it. Summarizing, again, I told you in the evaluation session also. Summarizing does not mean कि ये तो 3 पैराग्राफ्स का है जो कि 5 मिनट की रीडिंग है, बट जब मैं समराइज करूंगा या 2.5 मिनट की रीडिंग है, बट व्हेन आई समराइज इट, आई समराइज इट इन 15 minutes टॉकिंग. Summarizing means small. So when you summarize this, open your WhatsApp, open your own chat, या अपना अपना एक ग्रुप बना लो, अपने अकेले का एक ग्रुप बनाओ, इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस ग्रुप, दैट ओनली यू विल बी देयर. Every day send voice messages on it. Voice message में record करो of what you understand from the story. Great practice. Understood? So don't just simply read. Read something that will be beneficial for you and you are able to understand it. Now this is summer vacation. आप यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे levels हैं. Level 1, A1, A2, B1, B2. So many of them. So you can read from this. Also, we have a lot of reading material in our content in English Destination. You can ask your trainers to give you that reading material. वहां से भी आपको बहुत सारा reading material provide हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is how you are going to go ahead with reading. I think all of you can take up at least A2 or B1 maximum. B2 and all बहुत difficult हो जाएगा. B2 में भी like my level of reading. आपको उतना difficult करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिलहाल start with simple. And once you're done with this website, open any random website. Internet है भाई, use it to the right extent. So use as much as you want. Like I said, read. In your reading, you have to be very careful about the pronunciation. Google solution of everything. You feel you don't know how to pronounce this, please put it on Google, let it pronounce for you and repeat. ऐसे नहीं करो we had a balcony. A lot of people do this. कोई word अगर बोलने में नहीं आ रहा है, छोड़ो, आगे बढ़ो. Don't do that. Try to pronounce every word. If you're not getting it, open Google, take the pronunciation and come back and read it. Pronunciation improve करो, reading fluency improve करो, reading speed अच्छी होनी चाहिए and understanding अच्छी होनी चाहिए. This is how reading is going to help you. Everyone clear? Thumbs up, please. No, I haven't created this website. I have a lot of ideas to create, but I'm doing it very slow. For our content, yes, we have a lot of content. Maybe I can show you what we have also. You can ask the trainer in your class to give you that reading material. Of course, it will be very difficult for you to keep that reading material all together, but एक एक करके आपको वो reading material दे सकती हैं. We have a lot of reading material in our content also, so you can have that. Otherwise, ऐसी जो website है, you get plenty of them on the internet. जहाँ पे story दी है, question answers दिए हुए हैं, and you have to get the right and wrong. Sorry, you answer the question and you'll get the right and wrong there itself. बहुत सारी ऐसी websites and that you'll get this. So you don't need to worry about that. Clear? Now we are clear with the listening and the reading. Okay. Now a very important part. Learning new words. And this part is linked to what I told you before, which is listening and reading. Listening and reading से ही आप ये वाली activity करोगे. When you're listening something and when you're reading something, take a paper and pen and sit if you're old school. And if not, mobile तो सबके पास हर time रहता है. English practice group आपने अपना बनाया हुआ है in which only you are there. Whatever good word you come across, write that word down. Number one, you can ask your trainer the meaning of it if it is too difficult for you to understand. Number two, I prefer don't ask your trainer. Spoon feeding nahi chahiye. Look for the meaning yourself. Write down your sentences yourself and then go to the trainer and ask if I have written it correctly. Let your trainer check for you. Don't ask the trainer इसका मतलब बता दो फिर मैं सेंटेंस बनाऊं. Do the hard work yourself. Why? Because when you do the hard work yourself, आपको ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आएगा उसका मीनिंग. आप लोग सब लोग ने स्कूल किया हुआ है. वॉट एवर द टीचर हैज टॉट यू, और आप उनसे समझे हो, आपको समझ आया. कोई ऐसी चीज है जो आपने खुद फिगर आउट की, अरे ये ऐसे करके ज्यादा शॉर्ट कर लूंगा मैं, ये तो बहुत इजीली आंसर आ जाएगा, वो आज तक आपको याद होगा. सो एनीथिंग दैट यू लर्न बाय योरसेल्फ or anything that you figure out by yourself remains in your brain for a longer time. So please try to find out meanings of words that you find difficult by yourself. Don't wait for the teacher to tell you what it means. Now, for example, you're going through this, okay, and in this you find the word, okay, the words over here are very simple. Uh, uh, um, okay, let's take a difficult one. B1 लेवल का लेते हैं. Food. Okay, now suppose you're reading this and in this you come across a very good word which is a bit difficult and you've not used it before. Today's massive grocery stores sell. Now, massive is a good word. आपने अपनी लाइफ में हर जगह, even though you know the word massive, but you use the word big, 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 very big कर देते हो उसे. Massive means not using the word very and using big. Very big की जगह massive use करो. You like this word, even if you know the meaning. Note this word in your practice group and make a sentence with it. Okay, the crowd in Kumbh Mela nowadays is massive. There is massive crowd in Kumbh Mela. So now you use the word massive. It will come on your mouth, on your tongue next time when you're speaking to someone. Automatically ये word आएगा. Please don't try to learn words. Learn करने से नहीं आते हैं words मुंह पर. That is literally a wrong way of vocabulary enhancement. Similarly, when you are practicing this, for example, ठीक है, आपने प्रियंका चोपड़ा की स्पीच ली एंड इसमें आपको कुछ वर्ड दिखा शैटर एंड यू फाइंड शैटर अ वेरी गुड वर्ड. नोट डाउन द वर्ड. इफ यू नो द मीनिंग, ग्रेट. डोंट नो द मीनिंग, गो ऑन द इंटरनेट, फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग एंड मेक अ सेंटेंस. शैटर द ग्लास यहाँ यूज हुआ है. यू कैन से शैटर द ड्रीम्स. Okay, you can use shatter in different contexts. And like I said, make your trainer correct you if you use this word correctly. If you don't have a trainer, okay, use chat gpt and all, but sometimes chat gpt also can be wrong, so I will really not suggest that. Okay, so this way you can be, see यहाँ पर बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे words हैं throughout the. Why does it annoy me? Now what does annoy mean? Okay, so you have to be like, annoy सबको word पता है, but literally annoy use करने में I'm not that confident. Maybe I can be wrong. Why does it annoy me? Annoy is a word that everyone uses, but जो नेटिव स्पीकर्स हैं या जो बेसिक स्पीकर्स हैं उनको डर लगेगा, अरे अनॉय सही यूज करूंगा या नहीं करूंगा. So that fear should go away. You will start using a new word in your daily vocabulary only when you're confident of its usage. I know how to use this word perfectly. So that confidence will come when you practice around it. Number one, find out the meaning. Number two, make sentences from it. If you can make one sentence confidently, make that. If you're making simple sentences, दो तीन चार sentences बना लो, not a problem. And then number three, get it corrected. If you have a trainer, please get it corrected with your trainer. If you have some other mentor, your friend, your cousin, your brother, whatever, उनसे correct करवाओ. Another way of practicing vocabulary is daily vocabulary words मैंने निकाला और मैंने images निकाल ली. You can do that as well. Open daily vocabulary words. Just open any 10 words and make sentences with them. Don't learn words. Learning words, very wrong practice. याद करना, रटना, mugging up words, don't do that. That is not going to help. Take a word, make a sentence from it. Make 2 sentences, 3 sentences from it. That is how that word will remain in your mind. Okay, so we understood listening, how to do it correctly. We understood reading, how to do it correctly. And we understood writing. वर्ड बिल्डिंग राइटिंग हो गया, क्योंकि आपको वर्ड सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं. मेक सेंटेंसेस एंड राइट देम, दैट इज राइटिंग. Once you are good with your English and you are advanced in your English and you learn 10 words, for example आपने 10 words learn किए over the week जो आपको याद है, एक पैराग्राफ लिखो using all those 10 words. Make a story out of those 10 words. Fabulous. If you are an advanced learner, ये क्या मैम मेक सेंटेंसेस दे रही हैं, ठीक है सेंटेंसेस मत बनाओ, स्टोरी बनाओ. आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम. So you can do whatever your level is. Don't feel this is a very basic exercise. I don't want to do that. Even if I do this exercise right now, मेरी English अच्छी है, but I also want my vocabulary building. I'll also do this exercise only, but in an advanced way. So the exercises that I'm telling are for all the students right from basic till advanced. Clear, everyone? Can I have some responses in the chat? Everyone clear with all these three concepts, all these three practices? Then we'll go to the most important practice, which is speaking. How do you speak to yourself and improve yourself? Okay. Now, literally, if you haven't done this yet, so I'm very, very sorry and I'm very, very like disappointed. I had posted a video altogether for this, telling you what you have to do to speak well and not make mistakes. How many of you have watched this video? Can I have it in the comments? How many of you have seen this video? Yes or no? No one has seen. बहुत बढ़िया, फालतू में वीडियोस बनाती हूँ मैं. Anyway, now if you've not seen the video, I'll share it on the group. You will see it after this video, after this class. In this video, I've given a very simple practice. I'll not open my video myself and then listen to myself. Okay, so what I have told in this video, I'm going to tell you over here in short, but I want you people to listen to this video in detail. You have to talk to yourself throughout the day. Speak to yourself. What you will speak, speak about anything that is happening around you. Make what I put in the video very simple exercise. Make 50 sentences every day. Speak 50 sentences every day. And 50 sentences का मतलब क्या होता है? 50 seconds literally. एक sentence एक, या अगर आप 50 भी नहीं मान रहे हो, आपको 2 सेकंड लग रहे हैं एक सेंटेंस बोलने में, then it can be 2 seconds into 50, that is 100 seconds. 1 minute and some seconds. 2 मिनट आप नहीं लगा सकते हो अपनी इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस के लिए. What you have to do? For example, you are returning back from office or college and you're walking, or you are like driving. Whatever is happening around you, usko sentences mein bolo. So I can see a man walking on the road. He's wearing a blue pant and a white shirt. Walking on the road wala sentence 1 sentence ho gaya. Blue pant and white shirt wala 2 sentence ho gaya. Simple. The weather is like that. A car is in front of me. The number of the car is 0475. I can see a vendor selling fruits. I can see some vegetable. This is something that you can do if you are not in a public place. Now, sometimes people do feel embarrassed in a public place. अकेले में बात कर रहे हैं, सब देखेंगे. They'll understand. They'll feel what I'm doing. Don't practice while you're traveling. Come back home and make a description of what you saw there. So today I was traveling in a metro, and beside me there was a man sitting, and then to the right there was a woman sitting. 50 sentences बनाने में 2 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं लगेंगे. Every day, talk to yourself with 50 sentences in English. That's it. Not much. See, basically, like I said, like I told all of you, you all know English. For example, I know how dosa is made. I know what is in the dosa. I know the ingredients and I know the method. But I've never made dosa myself. So if someone tells me make dosa at home because I want to eat dosa, I'm not confident enough to make it. And the first time I make dosa, it will be a mess. I have to keep making dosa every day and I'll be a champ at it. Any skill. Now, आप लोग का प्रॉब्लम भी यही है, इंग्लिश आती है, थोड़ा बहुत कर चुके हैं. मेरा तो डोसा में 0 है, आपका तो इंग्लिश में है अच्छा कमांड. Little bit is there. But you have to practice it daily to get the full command over it. I am born in a very small town. I studied till class third in a very small school, English medium school, but fully Hindi. My good luck that I went to Muscat after that, and I took my education from there. I didn't know. I was one of the few students in the class who used to stay quiet because didn't know English. We didn't know what to speak. And I think till fourth or fifth standard I was quiet because of this reason. कि मेरे को तो इंग्लिश आती नहीं, यहाँ सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात होती है. There were South Indian teachers, South Indian students, North Indian भी थे, but all of them good in English. And I was stuck with that problem. But I came over it naturally because there was an environment around me and I got that practice naturally. Staying in India, that is not the benefit, at least not for our generation. अभी जो young generation है उनके लिए है ये. My daughter is in English school. She talks in English fully. She's only 9 years old. She even has written a story of herself by herself. So आजकल के किड्स को है वो बेनिफिट, बट हम लोगों को नहीं है. सो वी हैव टू क्रिएट दैट बेनिफिट फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. वी हैव टू क्रिएट दैट एनवायरनमेंट फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. That cannot happen by just attending a 30 minutes class. That cannot happen by watching 15 minutes or 20 minutes ka YouTube video. These are the right practices that you need to do. Listening on YouTube, I told you how. Reading, I told you how. Vocabulary building, I told you how. Speaking, I told you how. Number one, 30 minutes of English speaking in the class. No matter what, speak in English. You are not understanding how to speak. Your sentences are not coming complete. You're making terrible mistakes. No problem. क्लास इसीलिए ज्वाइन किया है कि यहाँ पे खुल के मिस्टेक्स करो बट इंग्लिश में बात करो. सो स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. Number two, after the class, at least 50 sentences. If you have someone to speak to, fine. One more thing you can do. For example, घर में सब मेरे से हिंदी में बात करते हैं. For example, your mother is saying, बाहर से सामान ले आया. You will say, हाँ ले आया. अपने आप से बोलो, yes I brought it. Don't let your mother listen to you. अपने आप आवाज सुनो बस. So whoever is talking to you in your native language, reply to them in your native language. Reply to yourself in English. कि अगर मुझे इसका जवाब, because to be very honest, you read stories. वो stories वाली इंग्लिश की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. डेली स्पीकिंग की इंग्लिश की जरूरत है. You need to respond to your colleagues in English, in your office, in your workplace. So you need the daily English. You don't need that, that fancy English to be good. वो नहीं चाहिए, वो बाद में होता रहेगा. Your English should come naturally to you. Like I'm talking, I have one sentence Hindi, one sentence English, and I'm naturally switching between the two. I'm not feeling uncomfortable in this. I'm not feeling any discomfort. The same thing you need to get. So for that, what you need to do, you need to bring English in your daily talking, in your daily phrases. So when someone is talking to you in Hindi, you cannot talk to them in English. क्या है का अंग्रेज बन रहे हो, चुप रहो, इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो. They will stop you. Okay, India is all about trolling. इंटरनेट ट्रोलिंग तो अब आई है. ट्रोलिंग हमेशा से, रोस्टिंग हमेशा से. They'll not let you talk in English. So reply to them in your native language. Make a scenario in your head that what if I have to reply in English, and reply in English to yourself. ऐसे कि only you can. Is this easy? Can you do this? Simple ways of how to improve your English by talking in English every day. Talking in English, सबको प्रॉब्लम होती है मैम, किससे बात करें. So now I told you, you don't need anybody else. You can talk to yourself. Okay, so reading, writing, listening, speaking, all clear, I hope. Now, any other doubts, questions? So many people asked me questions last time. Any other questions you people can come up with?